Welcome to mySciPartners.com. In this tutorial, you will learn how to access mySci module resources from your district mySci page. First, find your district, which is listed alphabetically on the main mySciPartners.com page. You can do this by typing into the search bar or clicking on your letter. Enter the password. On the Overview page, you can find general mySci resources, such as science instruction best practice sheets and observation tools, lesson preparation and planning tools, and printable posters for your classroom. Be sure to look at announcements often to see any important new information about our program and website. On the top toolbar, you will see grade levels. Click on 6-8. Next, select which type of science. Modules 1 through 5 are physical science, 6 through 10 are life science, and 11 through 15 are earth and space science. Click on a module. On the module page, you will see the driving question, the storyline, and the flowchart for the module. For middle school, modules are broken down into concepts. Each concept may have one or more 7 e-learning cycles of instruction. First, view the documents on the right-hand sidebar that are not concept-specific. This includes the Overview document, the Fast Track Pacing Guide document, background information, and glossary. Assessment resources include the pre-post, the answer key, a Google form version of the pre-post, and data templates. Next, click on a concept. You can start by viewing the Concept at a Glance document, which contains the objectives, key takeaways, video and text resources, and vocabulary for the concept. Next, you can see cycle level resources. This is where you find the curriculum lesson plans, student journal pages, teacher pages, instructional supports, and tutorials. Here's Cycle 2. And Cycle 3. You can click back to the last page and click on the next concept to view resources for that. Thank you for viewing this website tutorial. If you have any questions or feedback, click on the Contact Us button at the top right on the website. We value your partnership.